see that. Oh, I see it. Pretty nice looking. When on Christmas, when the family Christmas tree is on, it's pretty.
So you were talking to me about the smoke alarm,
Yes.
and about being Superman, and that you know what's best for me.
Yeah, and Dita and the dogs and Mama, have you ever heard of a school bus battery?
A school bus battery? Well, school buses have batteries, just like cars have batteries, and trucks and SUVs have batteries.
I know.
All right, so keep telling me what it was that you were telling me about.
So, you know what? Houses have batteries too.
Houses?
Yeah.
Not exactly. We use things in the house that have batteries, but the house itself doesn't have a battery.
Well, it uses power lines, of course.
It has power. Yeah,
Yeah.
it uses electricity.
Yeah, power
But that's
lines.
not the same. That's not the same as a battery.
Electricity from the power lines.
Right.
So it's. Let me go back to the smoke alarm.
All right, you go back to the smoke alarm.
So if my smoke alarm chirped, then it would make the loud noise that was not a chirp, and then the fire would trap smoke from coming out of the smoke alarm into our house.
Yeah.
And then it would be like not good.
Right, it would not be good.
Yeah, it would not be good for us to smell it because it has all kinds of yuckiness in it. So it's only because it's maybe just it's like, well, I know how to explain this.
You know how to explain it?
No. I know how to explain this subject to you.
You know how to explain this subject to me?
Yeah, so
Okay.
it's almost like better with a smoke alarm jumping if the battery is low, because I don't want to hear that noise. That is a loud noise. That's the noise
Right.
that we turned on in Tennessee that I don't like because it's a little bit loud. So of course I don't like that noise, but I like the sound of the chirping noise because
Right.
the sound of the chirping noise is better because it has a little bit of down power on it.
Right.
So, but the loud noise has a lot of up power, and that's
Up power?
yeah.
You said up power versus down power?
Yeah.
So what is
up
down-
power-
What is down power?
Down power is something that is very low down power.
Okay.
That is soft and not loud.
Not loud.
Yeah, and just peaceful.
Peaceful power.
Yeah.
So down power is what you would call peaceful power that's not loud.
Yes.
Okay.
But the up power is like very loud, and then smoke alarms, when it's all the way down, it starts going up, and the loud noise starts going lower and lower and lower.
Up, higher and higher and higher.
Yeah, and then that's how high it is, and then it makes the very loud noise.
Right, so then it's up power.
Yeah, so, but when it's wanting to do the jump noise, when it's still up like this, it goes down, 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 down.
Okay.
And then that's what the sound does.
Right, so that chirping, that chirping sound we hear right now from the smoke alarm, letting us know that it needs.
The downstairs smoke alarm.
Right, letting us know it needs a battery change. That's, you call that up power.
Yeah, so. No, I called it down power.
Down? Well, I thought you said down power was peaceful and quiet. I'm sorry, I must have misunderstood you.
So, it's, I'm not done with this subject.
You're not done with the
Still
subject?
watch me.
Wait, well, hold on, I gotta sweeten my tea.
Well, it's still,
You can talk to me, I can still hear you just fine.
well, a smoke. Let's go back to the starting of this book now. So, I think that, so I know that this is a different one. So, this is a different smoke alarm children. So,
Okay.
it's only supposed to chirp with the battery running out. So
Okay.
almost it's still like, yes, well, it's about, just about, well,
It's about to what?
it's, well, downstairs, oh, the drum is chirping right now. I hear it.
Right.
It's not an upstairs one. All of our smoke alarms were chirping in our house. We would have to change all of them out.
That's true.
We would have to change all the batteries and out of and all the smoke alarms.
That's true, that's what we'd have to do.
Yeah. So if one of them was chirping first, the downstairs one, which I mean the downstairs one, then we would have to change out the batteries in that one first.
Mm-hmm.
And then when that one was changed,
Right.
it would make that very loud noise. And then that is the upping noise that goes very high.
The upping noise.
Yeah. Instead of the downing noise. The downing noise is a chirping noise.
Mm-hmm.
So I don't like the chirping noise, but the chirping noise is like a little annoying. But
Annoying?
yeah, but both of those are a little annoying. The chirping one and the loud one. So it's almost like, well, then
I agree. The chirping noise is very annoying.
yeah.
And I can't reach it.
Well,
I
you know,
have to wait because I'm not tall enough. Even on my step ladder, I'm not tall enough to reach it. So we gotta wait until D-Dad can do it.
let me go check and see if D-Dad.
No. So
I just want to go check.
no.
Yeah.
No.
I just want to go
No, he's not awake yet. We will hear him when he starts moving around. All right. Well, that was a good
No,
conversation.
that's not the end of it. That's not the end of it.
That's not the end of it?
Yeah. So I say in. I say in instead of.
In.
Yes, that's
You're funny.
because I'm a silly soup.
You're a silly soup?
No, I'm a silly Superman.
Oh, a silly Superman.
So it's only because the shop is only like yes. Well, only a little annoying, but that one is too.
Right.
So the children's one is too.
I agree.
So it's only like hey,
Hey.
is that apple cider?
No, it's lemon ginger tea.
Well, well, I understand that smoking on. I'm almost to the end.
You're almost to the end? Okay.
Yeah, so it's flagrantly, it's like, what heard of flagrantly?
Mm-hmm.
Where?
Fragrantly?
Yeah,
What's a word? I've heard it just here and there.
where?
I don't know where.
Yes, you do.
I don't know where.
Yes,
Why do you ask me where all the time?
Because I asked you a question and you say yes, and then I say where?
I know, you say where. And I'm like,
Well, I
I
don't say just where. I say all kinds of things.
right.
So.
You do say all kinds of things. That is the truth.
Of course.
Of course.
So let's go back to that.
Alright, you
thing.
were almost at the end of your story about the subject of the smoke alarm.
So the smoke one. So if now this is the same subject that I'm talking about that if all of our smoke alarms were jumping. So if all of our smoke alarms were jumping, that noise, that same, that, no, if all of, let me show you the upstairs smoke alarm. It's a different one. The upstairs smoke alarm is a new one. Cause we bought it I don't know when we bought that.
I don't remember buying a smoke alarm. We bought a house that had smoke alarms in it, but we didn't buy any smoke alarms. I'm pretty sure that we did not buy any smoke alarms.
I think we bought smoke
We
alarm.
did not.
I think we did.
No, your memory is not accurate on that.
Yes, it is. It is.
All right.
Let me show you that upstairs smoke alarm. It has come on.
I'm not going upstairs right now. I'm enjoying my tea.
Well, I'm gonna show you.
I know what it looks like. I've seen it. It looks like all the other ones in the house. It's round.
No. I'm showing you what the vents looks like.
The vents.
Yeah.
Okay, well that's not the same as a smoke alarm.
Okay, so here's this vent. So that vent is not the same as the upstairs vent.
Right.
Now the upstairs smoke vent
like stripes.
Yeah.
Your
But my
fingers,
pumpkin is not.
your fingers are like stripes.
My pumpkin's not.
Your pumpkin's not.
Yeah.
Hello, pumpkin.
I'm biting your pumpkin
Oh,
away with
right.
my pumpkin.
I'm waving pumpkin at you.
I tried to catch you, pumpkin.
I'll have to teach you thumb wars.
What are fun ones?
Watch. Grab my hand like this. Okay, you're gonna grab my fingers like this. And then we go, I declare a thumb war. And then you have to see if you can try to hold my thumb down. Whoever holds the other person's thumb down wins. So you gotta try to grab my thumb with your thumb and try to hold it down. Watch. Let me show you. Like this. I declare thumb war. And then I won.
Well then, if you hold your pumpkin up, then I stop your pumpkin.
Do you need to
down.
potty?
No.
You need to go potty.
No.
Yes, I don't think you pottied since you